Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a chicken recipe which is called chicken ka Phaal ya Kalimirchi chicken. I hope you love this video recipe of mine, so keep watching. To begin, in a blender jar, add 3 green chillies, 10 cloves of garlic, handful of fresh coriander leaves, 2 medium-sized onion, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of black pepper powder. Now grind this without adding any water. Masala for the chicken is ready. Let me show the texture. It should be blended smooth and very fine. Next, into a pressure cooker, I'm going to add 1 kilo of curry cut chicken, the ground masala, salt as per taste. Now mix the chicken well with the masala. In this recipe we are not going to add any water. Pressure cook this for 3 to 4 whistles. Once the pressure is released, open the lid. Chicken is ready. You can see the gravy is very thin and watery like texture. Next, to season the chicken, I'm going to heat some oil in a pan. In the whole spices, 4 each of cardamom, cinnamon, cloves and 2 bay leaves. Fry these whole spices for few seconds. Then I'm going to add half thinly sliced onion and few curry leaves. Some red chillies. Here I've taken 2 red chillies. Fry the onion till it turns deep brown. Once the onion is fried well, transfer the chicken from the cooker. Gently mix and spread the chicken so that each chicken piece touches the base of the pan. Check for salt and add as required. 1 to 2 teaspoons of pepper powder. We are not going to give this a stir or a mix. Cover the lid and let it simmer for 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 to 4 minutes, our chicken is cooked well. The gravy has thickened and would also turn more thick as it cools down. Give this a gentle mix and the Kalimirchi chicken ya chicken Phaal is ready to serve. I like to garnish this with thin slices of tomatoes and lemon slices. Do give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.